Hello and welcome to song number 4 of the 15 uke songs, aka the 30-day uke song challenge. Thank you so much for using the hashtags everywhere you're posting. I am loving your videos. Today we are working on Jolene. Alrighty, for this song we have 3 chords. It's on day number 4 because it's actually a really fast song. So let's review the chords real quick. We've got A minor, we've got C, and we've got G. That's it. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. For my chuckers, it's down, chuck, up, chuck. If you want to learn how to chuck, I'll put a video here. It basically is just you turning and muting the strings. That's all it is. But the video up here will help you through that. Alright, let's play through our intro. 1, 2, 8 times. 1, 2, intro. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, here we go. That's the intro, and we could go right into the chorus, and the first note of the chorus is in A minor too, so it's easy. Alright, let's review the chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, chorus, ready, go. C, G, 2 A minors, 1, let's do that again. If it's a little too fast, you do have gears on one side of YouTube that allow you to make the video slower. But it's day 4, so I'm pushing you a little bit on the speed here. Let's try the whole chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, play with joy, go! Alright, so let's go to verse 1. If you notice, the pattern is the same. So as long as we memorize that pattern, I think we can do the whole song, which is really cool. So I think what we're working on for today really is speed. Alright, let's try and play through the verse. Let's see. Let's give it our best. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. C, G, A minor, that's the entire verse. Let's try and play through it. I'll try my best to sing just to guide you. 1, 2, breathe. 2, 1, 2, ready. Just for fun, let's play through the intro, chorus, and verse, okay? You got this. Breathe, unfold the shoulders in the back. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Take another breath. Intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, here we go. The rest of the song repeats something that we've already done, and then there's an outro, and it's just and just a little bit of a fade there. So that's the entire song. Now there's some tips I do want to give you. The song is a little low or uncomfortable for my voice, so I haven't practiced this, but I'm gonna teach you, I guess, how I try and find something that's easier for me to sing. I'm gonna go play A minor, but now with the capo on the first fret. So I'm gonna try now singing it with this. It's gonna be a little higher. Jolene, Jolene, Dolly, Dolly, please don't take my man. That's way more comfortable for me. Now for fun, I'm gonna move it up again. I'm gonna play that A minor. Pretty good. I feels more comfortable in the first one, definitely. That one's peaking a little bit, so I would stay with a capo on the first or second fret for my voice. And I do recommend you getting a capo or making one with like a pencil and a rubber band. I've seen some people do that. It's just fun to kind of find what's comfortable for your voice. A lot of people say like, I can't sing, like all the songs just don't fit my voice, and it just, maybe a capo will solve your problem. So I recommend that. I'll tag a few capos down below that I recommend. Also, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of this challenge, Enya. Thank you so much for sponsoring this challenge. I'll link this ukulele down below. It's the one that I've chosen to use for the whole month. I hope you're still committed to your uke. I don't like pointing, that's rude. I hope you're still committed to your uke and that you're finding it easier to switch without looking down at it all the time. That you're looking up, improving your posture. Okay, so use the hashtags, post the videos, tag me, join us on our Facebook group. It's a private Facebook group called Ukelandia. We're posting videos of this, and some people also do a theme of the week and they post videos of the theme. It's just a really fun community. Trust me, if you like this channel, you're gonna love Ukelandia. Okay, so you have 48 hours before the next video comes out. So practice, have fun, and I'll see you for video number 5. Sayonara!